A few days ago, Cash App tweeted, kinda wanna change up our color scheme for a minute. Shortly after that, they tweeted, how do we look in pink? And then just a little bit ago, they dropped the pink Cash App card. They said pink goes with everything, meet our pink drop featuring new pink cash card, along with apparel and accessories designed by Marshall Columbia. The first 20K orders get 30% off of Fenty Beauty. Purchase up to $25 with the new pink card. Order the pink card in the app. So I'm going to show you how to look out for the pink card and order it in Cash App right now. So open up Cash App, go to the card screen. By the way, if you're not familiar with this, Cash App is a full service banking and finance app. They have a cash balance that you can spend with your card. They have Bitcoin, they have stocks, they have loans, they have all kinds of stuff. So check it out. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments for it on my channel. But for the cash card, if you don't have a cash card yet, you might be able to just go in and create the pink one. If you do have one, you're going to have to scroll down to design a new card. This is going to give you several options. The brand new pink one is here at the top. There's also a bunch of other options if you haven't seen this before, but I'll tap on the pink one. You can personalize the card, customize it, draw a little design on here. I'll just click on this real quick. So for example, I can draw whatever I want on here. I could add some emojis and customize this however I wanted. I'm just going to cancel. There's a look at the back of it. And yeah, there's the new pink Cash App card available in the app for you to get right now. Along with this drop is some new clothing. So let's scroll through this quick and see what we have. Usually Cash App has some pretty radical designs with their new drops. So we can go to shop the entire collection and see what they have here. I'm not gonna click on anything. We'll just scroll through this quick. They do have a skateboard deck, so skateboard decks are in right now. Everybody's doing skateboard deck collabs. Yeah, nothing that I could personally pull off in this clothing drop. But there you have it, all the pink stuff from Cash App. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.